The Pilipinas now looking to serve without any more mistakes as Alyssa Valdez is on deck to serve.
Lalo na yung unforced errors. As Valdez serves up an ace.
Unbelievable result from this young lady. She's the face of Philippine volleyball right now.
And this timeout brought to you by Rubisco, making delightful moments possible every day.
Hey, number 5, huh? Ella, help defend, huh? Yeah, here. I'm here. Huh? Ella, I'm here. You here. Hey, yung kaliwete dun, ha? Kaliwete, left hand, ha?
Looking tip.
Ha? One, kaliwete. Atong! 1, 2, 3.
Saluhin mo, ha?
Big. Abigayan.
And Valdez, back-to-back hits from the service line.
Biggest lead for Team Pilipinas. Alyssa Valdez once again at the forefront. Para dito sa kampanya ng Pilipinas, main target. Ang libero dito ng Iran, 19-14.
Masakit man yung kanyang kanang kamay. Pagod man yung kanilang katawan. Hindi sila susuko, hindi bibigay sa laban. As Valdez serves it up again. And Valdez, third time the charm for the Phenom.
Alyssa Valdez, 2 service aces, 3 points on serve. Pilipinas 20, Iran 14.
Oh, elevator! And Ella De Jesus puts it down.
And that reaction by the crowd inside the Phil Sports Arena says it all. I also see in the house Coach Stephanie Prochina, a part of that gold medal team for Team Pilipinas that won the gold in the Southeast Asian Game.
Hey, number 5, huh? Ella, help defend, huh? Yeah, here. I'm here. Huh? Ella, I'm here. You here. Hey, yung kaliwete dun, ha? Kaliwete, left hand, ha?
Looking tip.
Ha? One, kaliwete. Atong!